This past week was the Cool Spring, PA engine show, and this is one of the two purchases I made during the week as far as engines. There's always other little things to buy, but this is a 1/4 scale domestic stovepipe engine that is really a quality build. The workmanship on this is just fantastic, and it starts up first try, first spin, and just runs beautifully. Has a little solid state ignition in the box. So this was one of the purchases. We'll put another one up here shortly, a hot air engine that I also purchased that week. There were a lot of bigger engines, full-sized engines to be bought and sold, but there weren't too many models, which is mostly what I collect. So, but it was a beautiful week. We're not used to such good weather at Cool Spring, but it's just a good chance to see friends as well and pick up a couple engines. So I have a half-scale version of this engine, and I think there's still a even smaller 1/8 scale. Thanks for watching.